And we now turn our attention over to the United States, where a Blackhawk helicopter from the Tennessee National Guard crashed on Wednesday in Alabama.
Now, the Tennessee National Guard said that the incident has killed 2 crew members.
The helicopter crashed around 3 p.m. local time and caught fire.
The Madison County Sheriff's Office said there were no injuries to anyone on the ground as the helicopter crashed.
Now, the UH-60 helicopter, more widely known as a Blackhawk, crashed in the UN unincorporated community of Harvest along Alabama Highway 53.
Harvest is just northwest of Huntsville, which is home to NASA's Marshall Space Flight Center and the U.S. Army's Redstone Arsenal.